Good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you about community ecology. What is community? Here the community means the group of individual species, and ecology. Ecology, it is the branch of botany that deals with the relation between one organism and another organism with their surrounding environment. Here we have to go through with ecological field study. The study of structure of plant community is known as ecological field study. The structure of plants community is a complex. J. Brown Hankweit used several methods to study the structure of plant communities. The study of number, here we have to go through with the study of number of species, number of individual species, area occupied by the individuals, volumes of plant, growth rate considered by analytic character. Here these analytic characters which can be measured is called as quantitative analysis. The characters which cannot be measured easily in the field are called qualitative characters. Here the quantitative analysis means the characters which can be measured, they are studied by three methods: quadrat methods, transect method, and point frame method. First one is quadrat method. The quadrat is a small area used for the studying plant communities. Quadrant means a small area. This method was first used by Clements in 1898. Quadrat may be a square, rectangle, or a circle. Vegetation of an area can be estimated by constructing enough number of quadrats and collecting data about various plants found in all individual quadrats. Then types of quadrat. The quadrats are named according to their use. By quadrat method, we used to study about all these 5 characters. First one is list quadrat. In this type, all the species found in each quadrat are listed by their names. When we go through for the field study, first we have to list the plants' names. That is list quadrat. Second one is the count quadrat or list count quadrat. In this type, the number of species in the quadrat are counted. First we make a list, right? Then we have to calculate the number of species. This type of quadrat is used in forest survey work to find out the density of plant species. Next one is the cover quadrat. In this type, the actual or relative ground area covered or shaded by each species in quadrat is recorded. This is also known as basal area quadrat. From the stem, the branches will appear. The whole leafy area that are shaded below the soil, that is called as basal area. That is cover quadrat. Here the plant covered or shaded by each species quadrat is recorded. Next one is the chart quadrat. In this type, the position or location of individual plants in the quadrat is recorded in a chart. The chart is mapped to the described scale on the graph paper. Here the position and location of the plant that are marked in a chart or graph. Next one is the permanent quadrat. In this type, the quadrat is constructed for studying periodic changes in the vegetation. Means the growth may be different in different time, so that the quadrat is constructed for permanent, for the study of the periodic changes in the vegetation. Next, the calculation of frequency, density and abundance of plant species by using quadrat method. Aim: the study of the plant community by quadrat method. Requirements: quadrat and graph sheet. This is the image of a quadrat. Here that is divided into 4 subquadrats, and then again it is subdivided. First, lay down a quadrat of 1 meter in the ground to be studied with the help of pegs and ropes. Here we taken 10 into 10 meter. Then the quadrat is subdivided into 4 subquadrats. Count down the different species found in each row. Also count the total number of individuals of species. Here we collected a data. From the data, calculate the frequency, density and abundance of different species present in the community. Here we make a list, the names of plant quadrats. Here the quadrat is subdivided into 4, so 4 quadrats are taken. Then total number of species, then density, abundance and frequency. These 3 are calculated by using the different formula. Next one is the frequency class. Here for example we taken a grass. Here in the first quadrant the 3 species are present, and in the second quadrant there is no species. In the third one 4 grass species are found, and in the fourth quadrant 1 species. Total species are 8. Here the density is calculated using the formula total number of individual species divided by total number of quadrat studied. Here the total number of individual species is 8 and divide by total number of quadrat studied. Total number 4 quadrats are studied here. The total density is 2.7. And second one, abundance. Here the total number of individuals species divided by total number of quadrats in which the species has occurred. Here total number of individual species is 8 divided by total number of quadrats in which species occurred, means here only in 3 quadrats the species are found, that is 2. Next, frequency. Frequency can be studied the total number of quadrats in which the species occurred, means 3 quadrats divided by total number of quadrats studied are 4, that is 75%. Next, frequency class is divided on the basis of the percentage. If the 1 to 20%, the class is A. 21 to 40%, the class B. 41% to 60% frequency, the class C. And fourth one, 61 to 80%, the class D. If the frequency is 81 to 100%, the class E. So in the grass total we can see 75%, so that the class is D. This is about quadrat method. Thank you.